Hey, how's everyone doing here? 11:47, 7:16, halftime, strat time. So, kind of stalled out all over the place. All right, futures are just chopping here. All right, here's your 60s right here on your SPY. All right, so I talked about this daily business over here. Until this starts, and we've expanded on it now. Okay, we're kind of like it's all inside there now. So this is it. We're kind of stuck inside this range right now. Okay, so 617.46. If they want to come down and try to break it, 619 should be a decent spot for for a little bit of support, but we'll wait and see. All right. Same thing with the Qs. All right, got that daily mess going on. And then again with this 2-2, it's kind of like everything's trapped in there now, and especially us right here in the middle. All right, so it's going to be tough for us to get out of that from 560 down to 550. It's 11 bucks, 11 or 11 and a half bucks. All right, so we'll see, and we'll see. All right, diamonds just cooking it inside 60 right now. See if anything could come of that on 212, but all the groups are down today. I'm going to go over a couple of the good ones here. The best group today is got healthcare. All right, so XLV doesn't look it by the day with the 3-1 inside, so she's not doing nothing there. Could come to that something tomorrow possibly. All right, I don't see her getting out of that one here today. All right, so XLV, there you go, chop, chop, chop. All right, Amgen. Amgen's got a nice day up, but it kind of came back inside. Now it's just sitting doing nothing. All right, had that nice 3-2 move, and then everything's trapped inside. Okay, that's the 3-2 upper. And now these guys all stuck inside there. Wait to see how they get out. You know what a 3 is, right? A 3 is when it takes out a lower low and takes out a higher high. That's the biggest bar you can get. Okay, so it came down, took out that low, boom, and then went up, took out that high. All right, so Amgen, a little bit better. They run up and then they come right back. All right, United Healthcare, same way. United Healthcare, 2 up, and then 222 just chopping. All right, so we're stuck right now. I don't see how we get out of this mess here today. But I was looking at the Qs right now, trying to come back a little bit here on 30s, but can't seem to take 60 up. But right now they're trying. Okay, so we'll see, but I don't know. Until you get these days to start turning green, if you could get these days to turn green, then I would get maybe a little bit more excited. All right, but I don't think so right now. Okay, another group that's holding up fairly well. They all ran up and puked too. Vanguard. Vanguard's a 3-1 inside on your real estate. So inside day, we don't really want to encourage you to trade inside days. All right, VNO's got the 1 month, so see if something could come of that. We're looking for a 212 for Vernado to get going here. This one's been pretty volatile. A lot of New York real estate involved in all this business. All right, so that's our day today. Now comes back down, stuck in the middle. But that group is positive, okay? And there's not too many that are. XLF is just barely hanging on. I don't see too many stocks that are positive on XLF. I'm going to take a quick look, though. 1 second here. All right, on banks, BlackRock. All right, that's 1,070. That's up about 23 bucks. And then BX is having a pretty decent day here. BX. All right, Blackstone. All right, up $4.73 with the day up, coming back inside a little bit. Robinhood is one of the better ones today. All right, Robinhood, if I could punch it in. There you go, Robinhood with another good day, back up to 104, can't stop. All right, some of the insurers a little bit better. I'm looking at Progressive. I'm looking at KKR, another one here, bank, KKR, day upper, but they're all, notice how they're all coming back in. All right, so financials, and then we fall off the planet here. We got a little bit of XLC, we got some consumer defensive, and everything after that goes negative. And I got to say that's utilities, industrials, consumer cyclicals, basic materials, energy, and technology. All right. So, again, watching the diamonds, can't get it right. The day is starting to get better. We got a 2-1-3 right now on the diamonds, trying to come back up on a 30-minute. So we'll see if something can trigger. Again, if you could get these days to turn a different color, it might have a whole different look about it. All right, so let's see what happens. Tesla continues to hold up pretty nice. All right, Tesla's doing good today, gotta say. Broke it down to about 315. It took the day up. That's impressive. Try to get the month fixed up. All right, now we got to get this month to the highs at 322.60. Then we will triangle out this month, and then we could start talking about next month, and that's going to be our spot right there. That's going to be 356.10. All right, so we'll see what happens if Tesla can keep moving here. Today it's having a good day. It's holding up pretty well. So we'll see how the second half goes. Google, I've been watching Google a lot. Google's been good. I did sell some Google today when it got up to 185.32. I haven't seen it up there in a long time, so I sold a little bit up there. Still got a little bit left, but it's getting better here. It's fighting back right now. 184.78 coming back up. This thing's it's well on its way. All right, for Google, it's well on its way, and we're going here, right here. Okay. That's going to be 194.36. That's $10. There's going to be some triangling out before that happens, so sit tight. All right. A couple other things. I like this Oscar, OSCR, continues to impress this thing. Just got to buy it on weakness. Oscar, all right, coming back up again here off the lows. All right, but this is in the bottom of the broadening formation on the daily. It's 2-1 inside day. You'd be better off trading it tomorrow, coming back in with the 2-1-2 if it starts to take up and or break the other way. All right, so that's what we look for with the inside bar. All right. All right, so I'm going to leave you with that, and then you'll hear from me again at the end of the day. So everybody be good.